Butter!
Okay.
Whoa!
That's pretty good.
That was nice. We need to test it.
So what does this stop from happening? Just popping over?
Yeah, we tested it. We need to test it with.
Ooh, that's
our-
cool. Ooh, nice little leaf rolls.
Wow, it's satisfying.
You know those are
Give us
from
more.
Greece, actually.
Yeah, what?
Yeah, they're called domales.
I never knew this.
Exactly. Okay,
That's kind of smart.
That's
I like
pretty
this.
smart.
I like it.
we got some meat sauce. Why you do this? Why you do this?
I wouldn't do it.
Now you can make meat tea.
Okay.
Potatoes, some lemons.
Oh!
That's useful. We can use that.
What's happened? Every life hack looks awesome.
Wait,
Pure.
except this one. What is happening? They're deep frying chips, some Pringles.
You can deep fry everything, right?
I know you can deep fry everything, but why? The
To-
question
to-
is why.
To make everything taste.
I guess. So we're getting some cooking oven paper. What are we doing here? We're making a paper airplane to throw out the other chefs at culinary school.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Very accurate.
Then
Oh.
that's the one way to get the pit out of a peach.
And remove the some. Okay.
Yeah. I mean, it has to be after you cook your potatoes, but sure. Yeah. Noodle block. What the heck is a noodle block? I've never heard of that in my life. They're speaking about it like, yeah, it's just a noodle
Yeah.
block. A what?
What? I'm getting confused as well. Or just trying to put everything together.
There's so much happening all at once.
Yeah. Wow. Okay.
That's one way to do it. Yeah, pretty good. Got some
Waste of
chestnuts
aluminum.
roasting on an open fire. Jack Frost nipping at your nose. It's kind of cool, I guess. But you have all the shell in there with the nuts.
Yeah.
Does that really stop it from foaming? Just the wooden spoon?
Yeah. Any spoon you can put it in the middle.
Really?
It will stop. Yeah.
My whole life is a lie. What is this? What is that? Is that coffee?
It's neat. Nice.
Okay.
Yeah.
Pretty good.
Good.
Okay, so if you get tired of holding your mixer, you do this.
I'm not sure it's gonna
I
work.
don't think
It's,
that's good, no.
it just creates a mess. It's going around.
I
your
refuse.
kitchen.
Oh,
But
they're
you
making
can-
a mold for cookies.
Nice.
Pretty good. Just
Very
use
clever.
aluminum,
for
as I
such
say.
simple molds.
Yeah.
Nice.
What is this thing?
Fruit. It's a fruit house calls.
I don't know what they're
I
called.
don't know.
What are they called?
Yeah, write it in comments, please.
Cooking eggs with lemon to make them lemon eggs.
Next.
Easier peel.
Easy peel with the lemon.
Maybe the acidity of the lemon makes it easier. I don't know.
I don't know. As well.
Bake it in the oven. We got some bread in the oven in the tin foil.
And it's soft as well.
Nice and
fresh.
Ooh, that looks really nice. I want some avocado in my mouth right now.
Right now.
We got some dragon fruit, the most expensive fruit. Okay,
Yeah, we did it.
cutting up some cucumber. Save your cucumber by doing this, I guess.
Or just eat it.
You can just eat the cucumber and
Yeah.
stop being weird.
So, okay, use the pliers to take out
Pits. Wouldn't it melt your cake?
What?
I feel like that would melt your cake.
Whoa!
It's a nice little knife there.
That's satisfying.
Taking butter knife to a whole new meaning. That's a good strainer.
Yeah, good.
Got some candles here, making things, sentimental. All right.
For cooking, wow.
For your cheese. Romantic cheese. Ooh.
Whoa! I want to eat.
I'm so hungry
I'm
now.
so hungry as well. Wow.
Automatic can opener. Not bad. I want to get that.
Yeah, me too. Wow.
Ew. And whatever's inside of it is gross.
Look at this knife.
Ooh.
It's something.
It's a futuristic knife.
Futuristic, yeah. But
What's the point of it?
I don't know.
Okay.
I don't know. Just a weird looking knife.
Yeah. Ooh, it's gonna be a fine cutter. Yeah, nice. That's perfect. Perfect.
One move.
Mix it with some mozzarella.
That's all good. So what is this? Oh, it's
It's a blender. It's a manual blender.
yep,
Mixer.
mixer. Oh,
And it pours!
wow, two
Perfect for
mix-
pancakes.
Wow, nice, nice.
Okay, we got
Okay.
some soft drink here, and
The tool to open it.
I guess you could also use your fingers.
But if it's too tight, sometimes
Then you put it under hot water and you use your fingers.
What?
Yeah.
Is it a life hack?
That's a life hack. If something is too tight, then you put it under hot water for like a minute, and then it just pops right
I
out.
have never heard about this.
What?
Seriously,
Okay,
wow.
well, we have to test it then.
Yeah, you open a new world.
That's what I do. I just like to inspire.
Wow, nice gadget.
Automatic wine opener.
Yeah.
All right. Cut open this avocado. Avocado.
Is this special knife?
Yeah, it looks like it.
Yeah.
The perfect
Oh,
avocado cut.
and-
And it takes out the pit.
What?
Cool.
Cool. Definitely awesome. Well, and
Seal up your mini hot dogs
you
with.
tested this, right?
Yeah, we did test this, and they're okay.
Okay. For the round shape, right?
Yeah, for round shape, they don't work that well with other shapes. They just don't get along. All right, we got a fish, and this is how you get the skin off your fish, I suppose. Ooh.
Okay. And just okay. Do not create a mess.
Yeah, what is happening here?
I know this guy.
It's an automatic apple peeler. Yes.
That looks awesome.
It looks really cool.
Well, it's tested actually.
I want that. Let's get it.
Yeah. Okay, toast time.
A nice little toasty. Is that it? It's a mini toasty.
Well,
Okay.
Okay.
I mean, yeah, that's what a toasty is. Ooh.
Oh, what? It always. I know it's always sketchy.
What?
Look at this.
That's awesome.
Maybe, but it looks awesome.
Yeah. Dough, or use a teapot thing for dough.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Cut up your sardines with scissors and put them on a sandwich.
It does look pretty nice.
Got some foil.
To make walls or something.
Yeah, so you can cook multiple things at once. Oh,
Ah.
It's like a little station.
Yeah.
Ooh, nice.
Frying. Yeah. You prepare for frying.
Pretty good. Some tomato sauce. Ah, so you cut a hole in the bottom so you
Yeah.
can push it out later. That looks very weird.
But nice.
Yeah. Got some crisps. Fry them up. I bet those are tasty.
I told many times that something nice in this video. It's just something wrong.
Mm.
It's something wrong.
Something wrong.
Something wrong. Something wrong.
Okay, so this is for making noodles? Or what are those?
I guess.
Oh, that's egg.
But
It's-
it's like. Here we go.
What is happening?
Uh,
I feel like you shouldn't cook your plastic.
in a plastic, right?
Yeah, that's like really not good for you. Don't do that. No.
But what if the plastic is some
Special type of cooking plastic? I don't think so.
I don't think as well. So it's kind of weird.
That's pretty cool. They vacuum sealed their fruits for the freezer.
Okay. So they molded for what? I'm confused.
I am very confused. What was that? What was that?
What was that
What
really?
was the point?
Okay.
Using chopsticks to get things out of the toaster is genius. Those look. Why is there silver balls on them? Okay, potato.
To
Yeah, potatoes can.
lubricate it?
Yeah, they can lubricate and
Yeah.
clean it off as well.
Oh, okay. Yes.
Long storage for your tomato sauce, I guess.
What's the point?
I
But
don't
okay.
Got some spring onion, or what are these? I think they're spring onion.
Just okay.
Ah, that's nice for sealing all of your foods and
That's good.
stuff.
That's good. That's good. You can also put it on watermelon to keep it fresh.
Yeah.
We tried.
This is cool. What are they making here?
Break the pasta.
For
I guess someone wouldn't appreciate it.
some small pasta. Yeah, I want my long spaghetti. What the heck? What about my spaghetti kiss, like the
Where's
dogs?
my spaghetti?